Hi guys, Eric here, and I want to talk to you about why it's so important to rank your contacts in Teamzy. But first, I just want you to think about what it's like right now doing a power hour. You probably have lists, right? Some of you guys have lists on paper, notebooks, maybe a spreadsheet that you're trying to keep updated. And in order to be efficient during a power hour, you've got to take that list. Maybe you're just, maybe you don't even have those. Maybe you're like me and like I used to be, just scrolling through your Facebook Messenger trying to remember who you messaged last. However you're organizing it, you've got to get organized if you want to be efficient during your power hour, right? You have to figure out who you're going to contact today, who's going to be on the list to reach out to today, who's on your follow-up list, and you got to kind of spend sometimes more time planning than you actually connecting with people. Now in Teamzy, we've got this all set up so you never have to do that. You never have to plan. You never have to look at your list. You just turn on Teamzy and you just go, okay? And it's all based on this concept, first, of ranking or prioritizing your relationships. You see, if you want to prioritize your time, you've got to prioritize your relationships. If you don't prioritize relationships first, the turkeys in your life steal the time, am I right? Then you end up spending all your time with the people who are going to be least likely to help you in your business. With Teamzy, we rank first so that we talk to the people most likely to help us in our business more often. See, the other people will still get some time, just not as much. Does that make sense? So what we do is we literally just go down and we rank our list on a 5-star basis. 5 stars is awesome. 1 star kind of sucks. You guys know how this works, right? And I'll go through with you in a second what those ranks mean. And the way we do it, the way you do rank mode, is you literally just come to your team page. You go over here right where it says filter tags over to the right, see these little 3 dots, that's your menu, and you click rank mode. Okay, that puts you in rank mode. Now you can just go down your list and rank. Okay, here's what the ranks mean, by the way. A 5-star is somebody most likely to become a customer or distributor, or they're an existing customer or distributor that's on your team already, that's a rock star. Okay, 5-star people are going to show up on your list every 30 days. Remember, they're coming up on your up next list. This is just a connect, just to reach out and say hello, stay top of mind, make their day, work on the relationship. Okay, you're not following up with this ranking system on an invite. Okay, a 4-star, that's somebody that's likely to become a customer or distributor with a little bit of nurturing, or they're an existing customer or distributor who's consistent. Okay, they're going to show up on your list every 60 days to connect with. A 3-star, honestly, everybody's a 3-star when you start, and when you import into Teamzy, Teamzy's going to automatically assign them 3 stars because you don't know which way a 3-star could go. A 3-star could go either way. So they're going to show up every 90 days on your list. So you're still checking in with 3-star people 4 times a year, believe it or not. Pretty cool, right? 2 stars are getting colder. They're every 120 days. 1 star are people that are in Teamzy, but they're not going to come up on your dashboard list. They're just kind of in storage. Okay, so that's what the ranks mean. But what you need to know, the most important part is, if somebody has more stars, you're going to connect with them more. They're going to show up on your list more. Guys, I know that some of you guys are overwhelmed at the thought of ranking your list. But I want you to understand that if you spend just a few minutes doing this one time, you never have to plan your power hour ever again. Guys, never again do you have to plan your power hour. You just turn on Teamzy, look at your dashboard, who's on my up next list, and connect with those people. Okay? Now, a couple of shortcuts for those of you guys who are still overwhelmed by this thought is, remember, everybody imports as a 3-star. So if you could just go down your list and look for the people who are who you want to be 4 and 5 stars. Just cherry pick your favorite people and at least promote those. You can get started. Another thing you can do though as you're working is you can rank as you go. As you go, you can rank. You can change people's rank right here on the dashboard. Okay? But just understand why it works. Ranking is important because it prioritizes your relationships, which helps you prioritize your time. And the most important reason, you never have to plan your power hour again. You turn on Teamzy, log in, and get to work. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day. God bless.